Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M4 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable the power saving mode. And to get started, you want to pull down your toggles from the right side, so right here. If you do the same thing from the left side, as you can see, you get the notifications instead of the toggles. So once you pull it down from the right side, you're gonna expand it and look for the battery saver or power saving mode, depending on how it's named in here. Which in here it's battery saver. So I can see it right here. Once you find it, simply tap on it, and there we go. It is right now enabled. Now with the battery saver enabled, your device will disconnect from mobile data and Wi-Fi when you're not using the device, meaning when it's in sleep mode like this. And that will result in you not receiving any kind of updates from applications that require internet connection. So as an example, Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, you won't be getting any kind of messages from those apps because they have no internet access at the moment. When you wake up the device again like this, for instance unlock it, it will automatically reconnect to network, and those apps will then deliver all the messages that they were missing. So if you're not receiving messages, that is basically the reason why. Now anyway, that is how you would enable your power saving mode, and once you're done with it, you can simply tap on it again to turn it off. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.